Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW E46. This is a generation guys from 1998 to 2006, and if you have a convertible guys and you're trying to find the fuse for the rollover protection bar, stay with us, we'll show you where that fuse is located. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. Let us know what you think about the channel, about the content. So let us show you guys where that fuse is located now. So we need to go to the passenger side of the vehicle. You know the rollover protection system. Okay, it's right here. Rollover protection. You have kind of like a spring-loaded system here on each roll bar, and it shoots it up if it detects that the car is involved in a rollover accident. We need to go ahead and open the glove box. Once you open your glove box right here, we need to turn these white things to the outside so we can drop the fuse box down. The fuse guys that we are looking at now, this is only for the convertible, will be on the first row right here, and you can see the fuse numbers printed on top with white ink. The first fuse, okay, and the only fuse actually that we are looking at, it's a 7. Okay, let me double check again. It's a 7.5 amp fuse, okay, and it will be fuse number 13. Okay, fuse number 13, this one right here, 7.5 amp fuse. It's recommended to disconnect your car battery when you're messing with that fuse, okay, because it's part of the airbag system. Go ahead, pull it out, check it guys. Okay, you can see if it's good or not. You can check out in the description of the video below to see where we get our parts from and all that stuff. And we will also have a video guys, okay, that will explain how to replace the rollover protection system. Okay, if the car was in an accident, if you need to reset it, all that stuff, we will have it on the channel very soon. So please guys, check it out. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.